freezing when we were going through all that rain. Bloody cold.
This could be a
It's big, John.
Okay.
Whatever is down there, I see a big dark spot.
Okay. Picture that one? That's a good size, hey? We just went through that storm. Well, it wasn't much of a storm. It was about 3 miles long, but we're good now, and now the wind's dead.
The winds will come back, John, don't worry.
No, they won't.
Yeah.
So now we're back to motor sailing with full sails up, and I want some wind. I want to shut the engine off.
He's cranky and he's whining and he's actually stomping his feet.
You just stepped on my foot. This boat loves to go fast. Look at those 3 boats coming right at us. They're feeling it right now, just like I am. Love this shit. The fun police back there. Look at her. She's right at home. We are smoking along at 7 knots here. This is it, guys. This is where I come into the game. Love it. Now I should actually be on that side. And the reason for that is 2. One, if I was to fall, I'd fall across the deck and hope we'd grab something and I wouldn't hit the water. The other reason why I should be on the high side is because if the rig was to fall, it's going to fall on top of me right now. Okay, now this is a much larger fish. Now Sandy just said to me that she thought it was the same one. What would the chances of that be? Look at the fishing lady go.